Hey guys, this is Dream here. I just wanted to show you guys how to make some scalable Unity UI um, that scales with the resolution of your screen and the aspect ratio. There's a lot of videos out there claiming to do so, but if you test it out in different aspect ratios, you won't actually get the results you'd like. So in this game view, what you'll see is there's four buttons. The three orange ones are the ones that have the settings I'm about to show you, and this gray button is just a standard right-click add a button. So just to show you guys how it works, if you switch this to free aspect, you can scale this around, and what you'll notice is this gray button will start to move, it'll start to move down, it'll go back up, but another thing to keep a note of is these three buttons that I'm going to show you how to make uh, maintain their position and scale relative to the screen size and aspect ratio. Let's see. And so here's another note. So if say you were on resolution, they're on the right spot, you go to 720 by 480, it looks like it would actually scale properly, correctly. So a lot of videos will show you like this kind of solution and be like, oh yeah, it scales with aspect ratio as well. But again, as you can see, it messes up. So let's just pop this back in here, game view, and I'll hop over to a new scene, show you guys how to make this. What I have to do is right click, go to UI, add a canvas. This will just be our background. So the first thing you want to set is this canvas scaler. You want to switch this to scale with screen size, and I just defaulted at 1920 by 1080. And then I want to add a little bit of a background to it just so I can kind of see what I'm working with. Put this back to scene, give it a little bit of color. Okay. Okay, now to add the button, just right click on the panel and go down to UI. I'd highly suggest using Text Mesh Pro. The text is a lot clearer and it's just easier to work with. So just select that, and the settings you need to set are right here on the anchor points. So just click on this little button, this icon here, and then down here on the far right, you're going to want to hold Control, click on it, hold Shift, click on it, hold Alt, and click on it again. Essentially what this will do is have it fit the container it's in, so you'll see it stretch in every single direction. But now to actually adjust the size of it, you're going to want to adjust the min and max anchor points. So right here you have your X and Y. You don't want to, just don't touch these because this is going to be moving things and adjusting the sizes by pixel values, and you want things to be relative to the screen size and aspect ratio, so just only affect these four. So let's say we'll give the button at a 0.25 in width, up to a 0.35 in width. Then for the height, we'll do a 0.25, 0.35. So we'll have our button. And if you want to, just a side note, if you want the text to also scale with it, just check this box here called Auto Size. This is under your Text Mesh Pro, we call it component. And once you do that, it'll automatically scale the text inside based on the resolution. So you can also set your maximums here. So say you don't want it to get bigger than 48 pixels in font size, just set that there. And that's it. So now if we pop out our game view again, you'll notice it does indeed scale. I think this is a much easier solution than other people were proposing, and I hope this helps you guys out.